Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at some Newcential. I hope that's what this is meant to be pronounced. I don't know, positioning lights. I think you can almost use them as bicycle lights, but they are for trekking, for skiing maybe, I'm guessing, to put on your backpack to be visible at night. So they have many uses. But they looked really cool and daughters liked them, so yeah, we got two sets. I think it was about $2 a set or something like that, so really freaking cheap, and they seem to have quite a bit of electronics inside, which is actually surprising. Rubberized or silicone, most likely, cover on them, and I think they have, it's written somewhere, CR2032 batteries in them. But yeah, let's see about them. Let's open up the packaging. Do we have any text in English? No, not really. Okay. Let me check this. Maybe we have some English in here. Still couldn't find any English, but I'm going to do my best to translate. So they have a robust silicone case with a quick fix. Yeah, it kind of grips into here and locks onto whatever you put it on, which is nice. One white light, really bright. One red light, which makes you stand out. Are these? Yeah, some kind of plastic, but they really give you the feel of glass. But no, they are some kind of plastic. Constant light, intermittent and interval light, up to 50 hours maximum time, but there's an asterisk in there. Do we have the explanation for the asterisk? I don't see it anywhere. So presumably in the low light mode. So they tell us here, so they put the asterisk there, then they tell us that they include the 4 CR2032 batteries, and then they explain the asterisk. That's freaking weird. So in interval mode, up to 20% residual luminosity. There they last for 50 hours, but it's still quite a lot. Not authorized as illumination for bicycles. Yep, so if you are on the road, this is not authorized and you might actually get in trouble. But I'm guessing if you are somewhere else and you just need to be somewhat visible, doesn't really matter for you. But on the road, yeah, not good it seems. Only in intended purpose to use them. Not okay for lighting the rooms in your house. Okay. Chroma coordinate X less than 0.270. And yeah, abide the national safety, road safety instructions. Let me see if there's anything else here. Not much more info right here, just that they are 0.3 watts in total and IP44, working on 6 volts because there are 3 volts batteries in parallel, in series, sorry, not parallel. I was thinking one thing and said another. And watch out, don't leave the batteries where children can get them, because small children will swallow obviously the batteries, and it's not fun at all, especially with these highly corrosive lithium batteries. So that's about it. This one, it seems it already had the pull tab removed, so in theory I think it lights up directly. Yeah. So these are the 3 modes. Let me turn this light off. Yeah, and I'm going to compare this. The video for them will be in the description. This is rechargeable. It's actually brighter than that one. Okay, but for sure in high brightness mode it will last less than this one. I'm almost positive. I'm not going to test the runtime, but yeah, anyway. Light back on. This will anyway go on our daughter's bicycles, so the chances of them going for hours and hours at night are not only slim, they are absolutely zero. But just to play around and be a bit more visible. Yeah, it's a bit troublesome to get the silicone out, but you can get it out. And we have Crivit inside. Big surprise, because basically Crivit sells in Lidl, Newcential sells in Kaufland, it seems. I don't know why they made this decision, or maybe it was always like this. So open this thingy up from both sides. I think the clip is right at the top, or isn't it? Or maybe it clips all around. Could be that also. I heard something false, so hopefully I didn't break the clip. We'll check that in a moment. And you simply can pop the batteries out. Yeah, it's already off actually, you know what. Yeah, I'm 99% it's already off. And yeah, just a tiny PCB, some contacts, some electronics for the different modes. And this is how you replace the batteries when they are used. And obviously you can use rechargeable coin cells, and in that case you don't continue buying new ones every single time. You just take them out and recharge them. Yeah, and it has this to make sure the battery stays in place. It's okay, simple construction. Popped right back in. And now you need to get this in first. And yeah, there's a bit of trouble getting it in and out of this silicone, but that also makes sure it will not just fall by itself at first hurdle. Yeah, this is gonna take some time honestly, so let's do this in high speed. Sorry. Back together, and obviously for attaching it to whatever you need, this is the system and it's in there. It's quite common honestly. This thing has a similar system, so most of them have systems like this. What I want to mention, if you use it a lot, better get something that's actually with rechargeable, and maybe with rechargeable battery inside, and maybe even via USB. Advantage of this one, you can also see it quite well from the side. Yeah, you can also see this one, but this one is more visible from the side. Light output, let's see. This one more concentrated, this one a bit more scattered, but again, both of them are good. So it depends on your use mode. This one, but I think this doesn't know how to do anything else apart from stay always on. This one has the other modes, so depending on your intentions, that might help. So now let me see what this one is doing. Ooh, this is bright, but yeah, it's not headlight level bright. Let's come with this. And you know, you can see incredible difference. Even on the lowest setting of this thing, it's still much brighter. So yeah, you will be visible, it will be clear you have a front headlight with it, but not overly visible. And yes, again, depends on what you plan to do with these thingies, but for me, for what they are and for the price, they are actually pretty cool. My daughters, I'm going to tell you for a fact, they will love to have them. They don't really go out at night, only in the front of the house, and they just pedal around. It's quite an isolated street, so all the cars are just neighbors. they will like to have these things mostly for giggles, not anything else, but yeah. So that's about it for this video. I'm not going to do any water test on them because, yeah, basically they are just IP44, so yeah, water will get in there. Not extremely easily, not just by a few drops, by the fact that they are covered in silicone, but water will still get in there fairly easy, so yeah. And they are on one of the bicycles. This is plenty bright for rear. It's impossible to not see this. Front is always also bright. Yeah, not really a headlight. It shows something. Kind of decent actually, but it's not its purpose. But it can be seen also from all directions, so makes the bicycle really visible. And if you put them on your backpack or stuff like that, yeah, it helps a lot. So that's kind of about it. Feel free to ask in the comments. And our light timed out, so we only timed on again. Sorry about that. We had a moment where only these were visible, the only source of light. Yeah, feel free to ask in the comments how these fare over time, how quickly they go through batteries, and yeah. That's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.